in what should be a happy occasion. Because a marriage that is seriously and thoughtfully considered and seriously and thoughtfully entered into can and should bring only much happiness to the two of you and to your family. Do you, Thomas, take Welma as your lawful wedded wife, for richer or for poorer, for better or for worse, in sickness and in health, and do you promise to love, to honor, and to cherish her? Welma, do you promise to take Thomas as your lawful wedded husband, for richer or for poorer, for better or for worse, in sickness and in health, and do you promise to love, to honor, and to cherish him?
Yes, I do.
Many people say that the perfect circle of the ring symbolizes the perfect circle of life and love, and this is why people choose to exchange rings to symbolize their commitment to the circle of life and love. Look at her. I give you this ring as a token of my love.
Token of my love.
With this ring, I thee wed.
I agree.
It's the left side.
Okay. Look at him and tell him, I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a token of my love.
as a token of my love.
With this ring,
With this ring,
I thee
I
wed.
be wed.
Okay, turn around and face me. Thomas and Welma, you have chosen to come to court to exchange rings in front of your witnesses. You have chosen to exchange your vows before me, a justice of the Supreme Court of the Republic of Palau. Before I make it official, I say take the time to respect each other, listen to each other, and when things get tough, talk to each other and don't forget why you chose each other in civil marriage. I now officially have the privilege to officially pronounce you husband and wife. This is where you may kiss your bride. Almost official. Bride and groom and witnesses